When you're just starting off in affiliate marketing, it's extremely hard to know where to begin. There's just so many affiliate gurus out there promoting terrible programs as the best for beginners. But in reality, these programs straight up suck. Just take a look at Amazon's current commission rate. Let's take the pet category with a whopping 3% commission. Do you know how many of these damn chew toys you need to sell to make $1,000? The answer is 2,564. You call this beginner friendly? In this video, I'll share with you the actual 8 best affiliate programs for beginners that you can start promoting today. These programs don't only have high commission rates, but are also very easy to promote, even if you're a complete beginner with no website or prior experience. Also, make sure to stick around to the end of the video for a bonus affiliate program that will pay you an average of $1,350 per click. And yes, it's beginner friendly as well. My name is Matt Diggity and I've been in the affiliate marketing industry since 2009. Over the years, I've tried hundreds of affiliate programs. Some of them were good and some were, let's just say, not so good. To make sure you don't make the same mistakes that I did in the past, I'm sharing this list of top beginner affiliate programs with you. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what is the best affiliate program for you, how much you can earn from it, and how to promote it efficiently even if you have zero marketing experience. Now before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that my course, The Affiliate Lab, is on sale this Black Friday for 50% off. So if you want to join 3,000 successful affiliate marketers and search engine professionals that are crushing it with this training, here's your chance. Just bookmark the link in the pinned comment and come back on Black Friday. The first affiliate program in today's list is FanFuel. FanFuel is an affiliate network dedicated to the health and supplement niche. They pay a 40 to 60% commission, and it's one of the few programs that has lifetime commissions and weekly payouts. I'll explain what lifetime commissions are in a sec. There's many advantages for beginners to join the FanFuel affiliate program. The first is their retargeting strategy. When a customer visits a landing page but doesn't purchase anything, the marketing experts at FanFuel will use ads and offers to retarget them without any extra cost to you. And if this customer converts within the next 90 days, you will get the full commission. This is awesome for beginners who don't have a lot of experience with marketing and conversion optimization. It allows you to focus on what you should be focusing on, which is generating traffic, and let the experts at FanFuel handle the conversion. They also give you a dedicated affiliate manager that will answer any questions that you have about the program or how to be a successful affiliate. And just to add, besides being a great beginner affiliate program, I personally think that they're the best affiliate program in the supplement space, period. They offer up to a 60% commission rate. That's extremely high, especially when you consider that these are very good products from reputable brands that even a beginner with no marketing experience can promote. And that's not all of it. FanFuel offers lifetime affiliate commissions. This means that when you introduce a new customer to FanFuel, this customer will be yours for life. Every time this customer buys a product again and again, you will get a commission. Finally, FanFuel has a really cool affiliate contest called the F Challenge. Every time you make a sale with FanFuel, you earn F points, and at the end of the contest, you'll be able to trade your F points for amazing prizes like iPhones, MacBooks, and even a $100,000 car. In fact, I got a MacBook Pro from this very contest myself. Okay, so here's the real question. How do you actually promote FanFuel products? From my experience, the best way to promote FanFuel is through blogging. You could create an entire website revolving around one of FanFuel's products and start recommending it to your visitors. Video marketing also does really well. You can do product reviews, unboxing reviews, or even create a vlog where you talk about your experience using the product. Sign up for FanFuel using the link in the description and you'll be helping support the channel. Next, we have the ClickFunnels affiliate program. ClickFunnels is in the marketing and software as a service category. Commissions range from 20 to 40%, and they're recurring, which is awesome, as I'll explain later. The cookie duration is 30 days. I'm a ClickFunnels user myself. What makes this program so beginner friendly is their free affiliate marketing course. They have a 100-day training course that will teach you everything you need to know about promoting ClickFunnels and making money as an affiliate. The ultimate goal of this bootcamp is to get you to a point where you have 100 active ClickFunnels subscribers. And when you reach this goal, ClickFunnels would pay for your car lease. Yes, you heard that right.
I picked this one myself.
Reach 100 active subscribers and they will pay for your car lease for up to $1,000 per month. That's of course in addition to your affiliate commission. Speaking of commissions, ClickFunnels is one of the few programs that offers recurring affiliate commissions. This means that if someone signs up for ClickFunnels today, you will receive affiliate commissions every time they pay their monthly subscription, not just the first time they sign up. When people subscribe to software products, they're less likely to leave because they have to find a better product, learn how to use it, and then migrate all of their data over. This is extremely overwhelming and time consuming, so people are much more likely to stick with the product they have. So you can expect at the very least that your ClickFunnels referrals will stick around for at least a few months. Hell, I've been a customer for 4 years already. Now there are many different ways to promote ClickFunnels. You can do ads, email marketing, or content marketing like I'm doing right now. But really, just take their bootcamp because they got a lot of experience in promoting their own product. Next, let's get into an affiliate program that's extremely easy to promote, yet very few people are taking advantage of it. I'm talking about TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a Google extension that allows you to optimize your YouTube videos to get more views. They offer 30% recurring commissions with a 30-day cookie duration. The minimum payout is only $10 and they pay out twice a month. You can use TubeBuddy to find the right keywords to target, optimize your titles and description, test different thumbnails, and so much more. I actually use it to optimize this very video. Now let's talk about their affiliate program. Now first of all, this software is super easy to promote, not just because it's a great tool, but because it's free to use. There's a free version of the tool with limited features so people can try it out and see how useful it is before they upgrade to the paid version. And when they do upgrade, you will earn a 30% recurring commission on their subscription. Again, it's a software product, so you can expect customers to stick around for a long time and continue generating affiliate commissions for you. To promote this tool, I'd recommend it to aspiring YouTubers that are just starting out. You can do this by creating helpful videos that talk about how to get more YouTube views or how to increase watch time. And within these videos, you can recommend TubeBuddy as the go-to tool. The fourth affiliate program on this list is WPX Hosting. WPX is a reputable hosting provider in the managed WordPress hosting space. They offer a one-time payment of $70 to $100 per referral with no minimum payout threshold. To be straight up honest, this is not the highest paying affiliate program in the hosting space. But affiliate marketing is not just about the commission rate. It's also about the quality of the product and how easy it is to promote. And WPX definitely excels in both of these areas, making it an amazing affiliate program for beginners. You can recommend WPX Hosting to 100 people and easily get 10 sales in the process. Why? Because it's an outstanding product with a reputation that speaks for itself, so it's super easy to promote. If I tried to promote a low-quality hosting company, I would make a few sales here and there, but I would quickly run out of people to sell to and lose my credibility. With that being said, let's get into how to actually promote WPX Hosting. Reviews and comparisons do really well in the hosting space. People are always looking for reviews of hosting companies before they decide which one to go with. Another way to promote WPX Hosting is by offering technical guides. For example, you can make a guide on how to increase your website speed, and one of the strategies would be upgrading to a hosting provider like WPX. Next on the list is ExpressVPN. From its name, you can tell this is an affiliate program in the VPN space. The commissions vary depending on the package that the customer buys and how long you have been an affiliate with them. The cookie duration is 90 days. VPNs are extremely popular right now, and ExpressVPN is one of the best on the market. They have servers in 94 countries, great customer support, and a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it really sells itself. The VPN niche is extremely lucrative, and you can make a lot of money if you play it right. In fact, some affiliates are making millions of dollars per month just from promoting VPN programs. The best way to promote ExpressVPN for beginners is to ignore the competitive keywords and target super specific questions that are not directly related to VPNs. For example, instead of writing an article about best VPN for Netflix, you could write an article on how to watch Grey's Anatomy on Netflix, or how to watch Japanese Netflix in the US. The answer to both of these questions happens to be use a VPN, but by targeting these low competition keywords, you're more likely to get Google traffic. Now let's move on to the next affiliate program, which is my own course, the Affiliate Lab, which has a 35% commission rate. The Affiliate Lab is a training course that teaches you step by step how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch. It's suitable for both beginners and experienced affiliate marketers, and it covers everything from building websites and hiring the right people to creating a 7-figure affiliate portfolio. We just paid out $40,000 in affiliate commissions, and the average affiliate is making over $1,000 per month. The course has amazing reviews from our students, which pushes the conversion rate to 7.59%. This means that for every 100 clicks, you will make 7 to 8 sales on average. That's over $2,000. The one thing is, to join the affiliate program, you must have taken the training yourself. This is because we want to make sure that all the reviews and testimonials are honest and come from people who have actually gone through the course and know what it's like. The best way to promote the Affiliate Lab course is to review it on your blog or YouTube channel. Right now, it doesn't take a lot of resources to rank on Google for Affiliate Lab review. Page 1 of Google isn't locked down already by high authority sites, yet. But this won't be the case for too long, so make sure to review the course before it's too late. So far, we've been talking about specific affiliate programs, but if you have a niche website or a YouTube channel where you promote different products, you will need to join an affiliate network. You can think of an affiliate network as a directory of affiliate programs in different niches. And the affiliate network that I'd strongly recommend to beginners is ShareSale. ShareSale is one of the oldest affiliate networks around, and they have more than 4,800 merchants that you can promote in pretty much any niche that you can think of. So if you haven't yet found a good affiliate program to promote on this list, chances are you'll find it on ShareSale. They have a very easy to use interface, and you can filter through merchants by keywords, category, or even by where they ship. Commissions rates vary from merchant to merchant, but the average is between 5 and 30%. That's so much better than Amazon's 3%, and it's one of the reasons why I recommend ShareSale to beginners. The best way to promote ShareSale products is, wait for it, Review the products. Product roundups, comparisons, and single reviews really work well here. Both blogs and YouTube work great here, but YouTube channels take a little bit more effort to set up. It all comes down to choosing the right keywords to go after. You need to focus on long tail keywords like best filter for 40-gallon tank or best filter for turtle tank. Keywords like that have very low competition. That means you can get traffic for them even if you have a brand new website. Next on our list is ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is an automation tool in the email marketing niche. They offer a 20 to 30% recurring commission based on how many clients you referred, and the cookie duration is 90 days. The functionality and capabilities of ActiveCampaign are really impressive. That's why I personally use it to manage my own email lists. ActiveCampaign also has an affiliate program that is excellent for beginners. Their software has stellar reviews and you can try the tool for free, so it's really easy to promote even if you don't have any experience. And to make things even better, ActiveCampaign provides you with marketing materials such as graphics, video assets, and webinars that you can use to promote the tool. The affiliate program pays a recurring 30% commission, which means you'll get a commission every time your referral pays their monthly bill. And considering how good the tool actually is, customers will stick around for a long time. In fact, you should expect to make an average of $1,350 per referral.
Franklin Grand Panda.
That's the highest referral lifetime value of any affiliate program on this list. The best way to promote ActiveCampaign is by creating email marketing guides such as how to build an email list, how to make an email autoresponder, etc. But these guides don't even have to be in English. The ActiveCampaign platform is available in 15 languages with customers in more than 170 countries, so you can use that to your advantage and create guides in other languages. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.